Alright guys, today I'm gonna be playing Project Seasonal, and I have the BSU client. I will be switching clients back and forth. But yeah, like I'm getting v9 BSU. I stupid or I dumb. It's made by the same dude, Golden Trophy. The guy who made I stupid. He made this DLL mod for girl tag copies, but basically a DLL is something that just has a bunch of code in it, and you will need to patch a game for it to actually work. Which, like, I use Lemon Installer. Then to get the actual DLLs, I like get it from whatever page on my browser. Then you use CX File Explorer. Don't install it because it won't even work to install it. You would have to like copy it and then paste it, or no, you would have to patch your game, and then you'd have to open the game that you want to patch for 10 seconds, or the game that you already patched for 10 seconds, and then close out, or it should just close you out immediately. But then you're gonna want to like go to CX File Explorer, go to downloads, copy the DLL, and then exit out of there, go to main storage, Android data, and then find your game, click on it, and then click files, mods, and then paste the DLL into the mods folder of your game. By the way, you can't get mods folder unless you actually patch your game. So like, you have to have these things, which is Lemon Installer and CX File Explorer. Now, we're not doing that old Shizuku thing. It doesn't work no more. At least for me, it doesn't. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be just using them, or doing a showcase kind of though. And if someone joins, I'm going to troll them, like go troll them, like see. Which, just in case someone does join, I'm gonna turn on this, and this. Just like I have no clip, platforms, and Ghost Monkey. Then I also have Crash Gun, which just in case I want to crash them for no reason. Let's actually go to City Lobby. Looks like nobody's here. I'm gonna actually go join a private server. I would want to check it out with somebody, but nobody plays this game. I mean, like, look. So let's just join the code. By the way, if you do get this game and you want to check out the DLLs with me, join code BEAY. Okay? Actually, let me join that code right now. Because it's just the code my friend made. I used to join it with him, and yeah. Alright, let's check out the first set of mods. So first, there's settings. There's a little Easter egg, by the way. Menu, which is not included in the text, but BSU client on top. That means like they're saying it's the best menu. That's a little thing. But if you just click on any of them, it'll bring you to the same exact page. Then yeah. So we got turning. I don't know what that does. Quit game, which quits your game, I think. Oh, I don't know. But then there's right hand, which you do have to keep clicking this, but you can't click like that. So you have to click like that. I'm gonna keep on left hand because I like it like that. And there's thin menu. I'm not gonna turn that on because I don't like it. But I already have it on. Freeze player and menu freezes your player and menu. So like if I turn that on, I can't move in it. Freeze rig and menu. So basically it freezes my rig. Let me turn that off because it's kind of annoying. Change menu thing changes the menu thing. I think there's like 20 of them. Change pointer position changes this right here to somewhere else. Then disable disconnect bind, disable disconnect bind. Hold on a second. Alright, whatever. Then there's save preferences, and these three, which I have no idea what those do. But there's clear notifications which pops up right there. Then we're out there. Preset menus, click menu preset. It basically just, I think it's like, I don't know, it just enables random mods. I'm gonna keep that actually because it's kind of cool. But anyways, there's photon / room mods. I'm gonna start on ban evade and auto master client. Doesn't give all cosmetics in this game, I guess. It's in other games. Trust me. Spam cosmetics, I don't know. It doesn't work for me in this game. But anyways, onto the create public, creates a public game info debugger. I have no idea what that does. I actually have no idea. Then give all watch gives you a watch. I don't think that works in this game, yeah, because this game doesn't have watch. Disable others' movements, disables other movements, disable trees. Doesn't work in spam cosmetics in different games. BSU room name, it changes the name of the room, BSU on top. And then next one, okay. Modder detector, don't turn that on, it's gonna detect yourself, then you're gonna be pink for the rest of the time you're in the game. ID gun, basically, you point this at somebody, click this, and don't worry about this, I'm just using this one. But you click that and then boom, you can seal their ID. Photon view gun, I have no idea how to use it. I think it's on your right, yeah, it's on your right. Okay, change sky color, doesn't work in this game, because there's no changing colors of the sky in this game. Fog on, fog off, very low quality. Wait. Yeah, very low quality just does this. Yeah. High quality, it just changes it back. Give all cosmetics does not work in this game. And disable network triggers, like basically, let's say I was in a public forest. I'd be able to go to city without disconnecting. But enable network triggers, it just basically makes you disconnect if you try, like, it's the opposite of disable network triggers. Alright, that's all the photons / room mods. There's movement mods. I'm using platforms. PC monkey basically turns you into this, and then you hold your right trigger to go up, then your left joystick to move around, and your right joystick to turn. Alright. Trigger fly. Hold your left trigger to fly. Then, oh crap. Okay, wall walk. You hold your right trigger and you start like cleaning to the wall. Spider walk, basically it's a way stronger version. I don't know how I did when I'm sitting down. There we go, it's back. I think it's back. Yep, it's back. Okay, there we go. But basically, if you hold your right trigger, you like cling to the wall. Why is it not working? I have no idea. But then there's also XL fly, so basically if you, I don't know. I have no idea how this works. I don't know. But then there's wall walk, I already showed you that. Next page, speed boost, insane. I don't think it works. Yeah. No gravity, no gravity. You have to click, you have to click reset gravity to, yeah. Low mass, no idea. Wait, I think yeah, it's like moon. CP to stomp, hold your left, hold your right trigger to do that. TP gun, do that. Yeah. Plane plats, make your plats really big, which I'm not using. Cylinder plats, quadplats, quadrilaterals, sphereplats, then wallplats, which makes them even bigger than plane. Then there's disconnect and join random. Okay, I should not have played for 9 hours straight. Holy. I might have to stop the video.